Two minivans, multiple lighting issues, the same symptoms, but different problems. Most people just fire the parts cannon and hope for the best. Today we are testing it to prove the problem before we buy the parts. Sienna first. The low beam on the driver's side and turn signal on the passenger side are out. Common sense says light bulbs, but let's be sure. You can use a multimeter or a test light, but today I'm putting Autel's PowerScan PS100 to test. Touch any ground. It's going to show you green. 0 voltage, which is good ground. If you touch the positive or any voltage, it's going to show you the voltage and light up the red. Green for good ground, red or orange for positive voltage. Let's take a look what we're getting here. The low beam is working on the passenger side, but not working on the driver's side. Press the back of the tap, pull it out. I'm probing the harness. Positive is good. Negative or ground is also good. So the car is sending power, 12 volt power to the harness, and it also has good ground connection. So the problem must be the light bulb. But let's give it a test to confirm. I connect the ground to the negative side of the light and then positive to the positive side. Then I'm going to send power. This light doesn't work. 9006. The new light 9006 HB4. So this is the correct part. Should be a good fit. Give this a test too. So again, connect the negative side, the ground, and then probe the positive terminal. Provide power. Great. So this is working and we are going to put it in. It goes in there. Take a look. Press it in, turn it clockwise to secure it in place. This is secure and in the right orientation. And now the connector, push the socket on and the light is on. So now this is good. And I'm going to do the other side too. Turn the key off. The other side is easier. It's still working, but we are going to replace it too. You can disconnect first, pry the tap away and move it out. And then turn this counterclockwise. It's loose, you can move it out. So out with the old and in with the new. The 3 taps in the hole, press it slightly and then turn it clockwise to engage. Now it's engaged, we can simply press the connector in. The tap is engaged. It's good. Let's turn on the headlight. Low beams are working. The passenger side turn signal. Grab and press the tap and pull it out. The socket counterclockwise. 3157A. I got an upgrade for it. 4157NA. This is better. Heavy duty, hopefully will last longer. Out with the old and in with the new. Let's put it back in. Goes in this orientation. And once it's in place, turn it clockwise. Okay. Put the connector back on. Good. On the driver's side, it's the same location, but because of the fuse box here, difficult to access. Disconnect, put the connector aside and then counterclockwise. And I can get out. Unbelievable. Out with the old. Use gloves when you are installing light bulbs. Now put it back. Finally it clicks and it's fully engaged. Put the connector back. The left turn signal and the right turn signal. All good. We are done on the Sienna. Now, for the Odyssey, the right turn signal is out. Let's move the power steering reservoir out of the way for easier access to the turn signal light down there. So that is the connector. to the right turn signal. Let's remove it. Press the tab, pull it out, and turn this counterclockwise. Pull it out. Test the light first. I'm going to ground one pin, and now let's power it on. Still lights up, so the light bulb is still good. Turn it on. Test if there is voltage coming in. Test the connector. Again, the right turn signal is turned on. You're getting red and green because this is turn signal. It's on and off. The car is sending power for sure to the positive side. On the negative side, on the ground side, nothing. So we have a poor ground here. Let's distinguish the two wires. And this is a very simple design, just two wires. One is the positive, and then the other is the negative. The black one, the negative. So the easiest solution, as I did here, is to back probe the black wire and connect that directly to a ground. In this case, to the engine ground. The ultimate solution is to fix, if any section of the wire is broken, it may be the best to replace this wire, the black wire. Just use one of these splice wire terminals on the black ground wire. Splice it so the blade will cut into the wrap and contact the wire. So this is on the ground. On this black wire, it's ground. And so again, there's nothing in here. If I connect this wire, which has been connected to the ground, directly to the ground wire here, and on the other side of that wire, okay, from here, this wire, we connect the other end of the wire to engine ground. Test this side again. It's showing green, which is good ground. If we simply just plug this light back on with good ground, it's going to work. Let's give it a try. This is working. The problem is with the ground wire. Once we connect the ground wire from the connector socket all the way to the engine ground, it's working. Fix the ground issue, we fix the problem. Put it back, goes in this orientation. It's in, push it in, and turn it clockwise. It's engaged. And then put the connector back on. And as you can see, it's working. This PowerScan is a great tool. It combines a multimeter and a test light. With the indicators, it tells you what's wrong. It does things quickly, like a test light, and lets you power up components safely with its own circuit breaker. Besides the quick indicators for ground and positive power supply, it also allows you to switch between different modes to test the voltage and resistance. A very simple tool makes your job so much easier for electrical diagnosis. This cable is super long. And if this is not enough, they also give you the extension cable for 20 more feet. With this, you can access anywhere around the car. You can connect directly to the battery terminal or use this cigarette lighter adapter for diagnosis inside the vehicle. We fixed the Sienna by confirming the bulbs, and we saved the Odyssey by hunting down a bad ground. If you're interested in this tool, I'm going to ask Autel for a discount and post the product link below. So feel free to check it out. And there you have it. We fixed two cars with the same symptoms but different problems by following proper diagnosis. If Professor can do it, you can do it. Until the next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。